Welcome to this walk around video. Here we've got a 2023 72 registered Land Rover Defender 110. It is a P400e, so the petrol hybrid variant, and trim level it is an X-Dynamic HSE. Optional features on this car: it does have the extended black exterior pack, so the side cladding and the bonnet and tailgate scripts all in black, as well as the checkered bonnet finishes and the side vents. Does have the optional 20-inch 6-spoke style 6011 alloy wheels in gloss black. We do of course have the premium LED headlights and your 3D surround cameras. Moving round to the side, you do have the fixed side steps, keyless entry, privacy glass and roof rails. If we move around to the rear, you can see the full size spare wheel cover. Moving inside, you've got the ebony, Windsor leather and Robustec interior. The sliding panoramic sunroof being a standard feature on the HSE. Still in lovely condition, as it is a one owner vehicle and does come with a full Land Rover service history. In the front you do have 14-way heated and cooled front seats with the memory function. Meridian surround sound system, and you do of course have a heated leather steering wheel, your interactive driver's display, and as you can see it's done just under 33,000 miles. Other standard features: it does have adaptive cruise control and the larger infotainment screen with your navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control, as well as your functions for your terrain response and electronic air suspension. Overall still in really lovely condition. Is also finished in the lovely Eiger Grey metallic. If you do have any questions on this car, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.